Hi, it's Thursday, March 15th. My name is Victoria Bellant and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. Let's start with the technical outlook for the euro-dollar. We are expecting price will hold below main pivot and current target is at S1 support. Further fall towards S2 support isn't excluded, but rise above main pivot will negate previous conclusion. Overview of Axiory's chosen indicators show a bearish trend for the euro-dollar. Secondly, we have the dollar-yen outlook. If price rebounds from current resistance R1, we can expect decline towards main pivot, and fall below this level will negate previous statements. But break above resistance and sustained rise could focus on R2 resistance. The vast majority of our indicators expect a bullish trend today. Following that, our outlook concerns the sterling dollar. Price fell below main pivot and now is heading towards support S1. Price will probably rebound and focus on main pivot and possibly at R1 resistance. But further fall below support towards S2 support will negate the scenario of upward movement. According to the summary of our chosen indicators, we can expect a bearish trend. Finishing up our outlook is the dollar franc. Price was able to break above main pivot and now is heading towards R1 resistance. If indicators will be as favorable as they are now, while price will be breaking resistance, next objective could be at R2 resistance. Indicators show a bullish trend for the dollar franc today. Next up is the fundamental outlook for today. We start with numbers about Swiss LIBOR rate at 8:30 a.m. GMT. It is expected rate will remain under 0.25%. Also, a high impact on the franc can be awaited. The Department of Labor will report monthly survey about producer price index in the United States at 12:30 p.m. GMT. In the previous statement, index rose 0.1%, and analysts are awaiting rise 0.5% now. Moreover, a high impact on the dollar can be expected. In addition, Department of Labor will publish weekly figures about unemployment claims U.S. at 12:30 GMT. Economists are expecting decline from 362,000 to 357,000 in jobless claims and a high impact on the dollar. A high impact will also have reported from the Department of the Treasury regarding long-term purchases at 13 GMT. This expected increase to $29.3 billion from $17.9 billion. A high impact on the dollar can be awaited. The Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia will release monthly statistics about manufacturing index at 13 GMT. Analysts are awaiting rise to 11.9 points compared to previous 10.2 points. Readings above zero indicates improving conditions, below indicates worsening conditions. Analysts are also awaiting a high impact on the dollar. Finally, we bring you our summary of the best traders and their strategies on Axiory, which are available for you. The strategies in Mirror Trader continued in rise, and MHFX01 reached 647 pips, and Swapper 788.1 pips. The biggest change was again in low-risk investment strategy in multi-trader, gaining 15.3%. The second biggest rise showed Whitestone asset strategy in trade leaders, gaining 11%. On the other hand, LW trading fell 48%, and now stands at 3,179%. John Muir once said, "The power of imagination makes us infinite." Thanks for tuning into Axiory's broadcast and have a great day trading. Goodbye.